Hi guys, I'm gonna show you this today I'm gonna show you this Zenitar 16mm Fisheye f2.8. This time it's a Canon EF mount. So just to show you guys what's in the box. So comes with a manual and it's wrapped in Russian paper. By the way guys, I'm actually a Zenit distributor, so if you're interested to buy any of these lenses, you can let me know. I can sell it to you. There's a link into my website in the description down below, so you know. So this is the lens itself, the body. It's a redesign of an old model, so yeah, this is definitely new stock. The glass. So this is a fisheye lens. You get a super wide angle view. Oh, this looks really high quality. Interesting. But yeah, it is Canon mounted. So yeah, nice, interesting. So this is the front. The glass and everything. There's the back. Alright, looks good. The side. Fish eye. Alright. So if you like this lens, if you're interested in the lens, you can reach out to me. There's a link to my website down below. And please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.